Hello students, this is a cash flow statement problems. You have to compute cash flow. I have done the first problem where you have to calculate cash flow from operating activities. I have given the format, follow the format to compute cash flow statement. Now you know there are three activities comes under cash flow statement. They are cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from investing activities, and cash flow from financing activities. Okay, so let us see one by here. We will read the problem and find out what you have to do. If they ask you to compute cash flow statement, you have to compute all the three: cash flow from operating, financing, and investing. Okay. Now let us see the balance sheet of Vijay and Sons. So there are two balance sheets. They are, 2 years balance sheet. They are of the year 2015 and 2016. See cash. Then they have given you the cash amount. Then debtors, stock, land, building, machinery. Cash will come at the statement, that is opening cash and closing cash. Debtors, stock, these two comes under operating activities. Land, building, and machinery comes under investing activities. Creditors is a current liability, operating activities. Loan from partner, loan from bank is a financing, so financing activities. Capital comes in the financing activities. Okay. Now the other information given in the problem is during the year rupees 26,000 was paid as a dividend. A provision made for the depreciation against the machinery as on 1/1/2000 27,000 and closing 36,000. The provision is created, so we have to open the account for machinery to charge the depreciation. Okay. So we'll open the machinery. Now what we have to do is prepare the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement means we have to open operating accounts, we have to prepare operating activities, financing activities, and investing activities. Before that, if there is any adjustment, then we have to open the account. Here the machinery account is there, so we will provision for machinery is given, so we will open machinery account. Machinery account, write opening balance and closing balance. Now opening balance and closing balance should be written. After that, you have given the opening provision and closing provision. So here opening provision, write down here. Opening, see this side, credit side it will come. By provision for depreciation 20, that is to the opening will come here. Sorry, the opening will come in the credit side. Debit side to provision for depreciation 27,000. This is of last year. The provision for depreciation is 36,000. This is of closing year. After that, write down the closing balance of plant and machinery account. This is 86,000. Now difference will be purchase. This purchase will come under in the investing activities. Now depreciation for this year, how much? It is a difference between these two amount, that is 36,000 minus 27,000, that is 9,000. Okay. Now we will before that we have, before opening the statement, we have to write net profit before tax and extraordinary item. Now what is the profit given here that we have to calculate now? See here. Net profit before, what is the capital on 1/1/2005? So you check the back capital 1,48,000 and 1,49,000. So the difference is nothing but the closing and opening 1,000. Add a dividend. A dividend for this year, they have given a dividend, so we will get the net profit. Say dividend, it is given here, paid at 26,000. So if you add the dividend, you will get 27,000. Okay. This is a net profit before tax and a dividend. Okay, 27,000. Okay. Now we will begin with the operating activities. See, cash flow from operating activities. Now net profit before tax and extraordinary items. Okay. So extraordinary item, what is before tax and dividend? It is 27,000. Just now calculated. See here, 27,000. So we will write here 27,000. Now adjustment for depreciation. Any operating, non-operating activities, if you check, you have only one depreciation only. Because there is no profit and loss account, we have only adjustment. So depreciation, if you deduct 36 minus 27,000, you will get a depreciation of 9,000. So 27,000 and 9,000. Okay, after that you see the current liabilities, current assets and current liability excluding cash. Okay, debtors and stock, here you have, there is an increase, there is a decrease. So here you will write increase in debtors, 5,000. Increase in debtors result in increase in working capital, so as it is. If it is decrease means write in the bracket. Okay, now increase in current liability result in decrease in working capital. So decrease in working capital is written as it is. Say decrease in stock. Decrease in stock you write in a bracket, because if it is decrease means your working capital also decrease. See here. Now creditors. Creditors, there is a increase. Increase means decrease in working capital. So decrease means write in the bracket. Okay. So like this we have to continue. Now what is the amount? Now you have to total and find out. You will get here 36,000 is nothing but this one. Okay, this amount is 36,000. 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9 will get 36,000. 36,000. Then increase in debtors, it is 5,000. If you check debtors, increase in debtors, it is 35, 38, 3,400 increase in debtors. So increase in debtors result in increase in working capital. So write as it is 3,400. Then stock. Stock, there is a decrease. When it is increase, no, you have to write in the bracket because you have to pay more. Okay, decrease as it is. Decrease in the stock as it is. Now increase in current liability result in decrease. So decrease will be as it is. Okay. Now you have to total this all the thing. You will get 40,600. I'll repeat here. Say when there is a increase in working capital, you have to write in a bracket. If there is a decrease in working capital, as it is. Now if you see increase in current liability result in decrease in working capital. Decrease in working capital. So decrease in working capital you will write. So you will get now increase in debtors. Increase in debtors result in increase in working capital. So write in the bracket 3,400. Decrease in stock result in increase in working capital. Decrease in working capital. Decrease means as it is. Increase only in bracket. Okay. Now cash flow from investing activities. So you go there. Any fixed assets you have purchased, it will come under investing activities. So investing activities, see land, building, machinery, all this. Land, it is purchased. So purchase of land in the bracket 10,000. Purchase of building also 5,000. Purchase of machinery, see the working note, even it is purchased. When it is purchased, write in the bracket. Sale, write as it is. Purchase means outflow. Anything which is outflow you have to write in bracket. Okay. Now cash flow from investing activities, if you add all these things you will get minus value minus 30,000. Then investing activities. Investing activities you have to check. See here you have to check here. See creditors. Loan from partner. Loan from partner is taken. So it is inflow. You have to write loan 20,000. Repayment of bank loan. It is reduced. See. So 5,000 paid. Write in the bracket loan repaid 5,000. Payment of a dividend which is given in the problem, it is 26,000. So 26,000 is given in the adjustment. So if you total minus minus you take, so it is minus minus, it becomes total of minus value is 31,000. 31 minus 10,000 you will get minus 11,000. Okay, this is a cash flow from financing activities. Now what is the net cash flow from all the three activities? Positive, minus, minus. So 41,000, if you minus here, you will get minus 400. Add opening cash balance. If you check the opening cash balance, it is 4,000. So add that 4,000, you will get 3,600, which is closing cash balance. If you want to check your answer is correct, you check the closing balance of cash here 3,600, which is same as you got here 3,600. Okay. Investing activities, you will write all the fixed assets which is purchased and sold. Purchase, write in the bracket. Sold, write as it is. Loan, share capital, dividend, all this comes here. If it is repaid, write in the bracket. If it is purchased, write as it is. If it is repaid, write in the bracket. If it is issued or in loan taken, write as it is. Now here comes operating activities. Begin with the net profit before tax and extraordinary item. Then any adjustment of depreciation or any non-operating expenses you have to add, income you have to deduct. Here, if there is an increase in current assets, results in increase in working capital. So increase means write in the bracket. Decrease in current assets result in decrease. Decrease as it is. Current liability just opposite. If it is increase, result in decrease. So as it is, you have written C here 5,000. What is this 36,000? Is the total of 27 plus 9, you will get 36,000. 5,000 is a current liability, debtors is 3,400, stock is 3,000. Okay. So go through the problem, you will get there itself the answer. You can check the problem in the question. If the closing cash and this cash is same, then your solution is correct. Okay, any doubts you can clarify. This is important for the exam, will come for 20 marks, so sure. Cash flow statement. Okay, any doubts you can clarify. Thank you.